Welcome back to Not Enough Projects. It's spring, the grass is starting to grow again. There's my redneck junk pile. So we're going to need to get this mower going again. We picked this up for free. You see it's kind of cobbled together. It's been rode hard, put away wet. We got this old mower tank, fueling it up because the factory tank has rotted away. And we don't have a key, so I had to do a little bit of creative wiring on it. But it works. It actually works great. Never gave us any problems. But right at the end of last season, the PTO stopped engaging. So that's kind of what we have to diagnose. I haven't looked at this at all. So let's fire it up, see if it starts up from last season, and get it moved over to where we can work on it. Battery's no good. I mean, it sat for a long time before we got it. So it needs a jump pack every time. Okay, let's see if I can remember how to start this thing. So I think this gets grounded out. Gotta put the safety in. No, this goes to... Yeah, there it goes. Okay, so let's engage the choke. I did put a little bit of gas in it. So, make sure it's in neutral. Alright, there we go. Loyal. Nice. Alright, I need two hands to do this. I'm gonna set you down. Alright. Take it off choke. Man, this thing runs great. I think I just had to clean the carb and obviously find a fuel tank along with the creative wiring, but other than that, this thing's been great. I don't think the brakes work, but you don't really need them when you're rolling around in grass. Alright. I think we can work on it here. So let's go ahead and shut it down. Well, I guess I should show you the original problem. Yeah, because we don't actually know exactly what's wrong with it, so actually we're going to need to fire it back up. Alright, we've got it fired back up. I've got the jump pack kind of defeating the safety there. That's good. So you can see it drives fine. Let's try engaging the PTO and see if anything happens. Nope. We should hear the blades engage, but they aren't. So let's look down here at the belt drive. Needs cleaned up. No spin. Let's look around on the other side. I think I see our issue. Alright, I'm going to shut it off. Okay. I think the belt skipped off somewhere. Ooh, this blade has seen better days too. Look at that edge. It needs a sharpening. Wow. Okay, yeah, we'll probably give that a little bit of love. I mean, we just use this mostly to cut the green weeds we call grass in the pasture, so it really doesn't need to do that much. I can't quite get it to focus back in there, I don't think. But yeah, I think the belt is off. So we're going to need to probably drop the deck. Yeah, I think we're going to need to drop the deck to get access into here. I'll try fiddling around a little bit. See if I can get the belt back where it's supposed to be. If not, yeah, we're going to have to get a little bit farther in this thing. Okay, it's kind of looking like, I know you guys can't really see it, but it's kind of looking like the belt is just off the main pulley way back there. So maybe let's start jacking up the mower or putting it up on ramps or something so we can get under it. Okay, here's our belt drive. See, there is something funky going on. I mean, there should be slack because the tensioner takes it up, but not that much slack. Okay, you know what? It's kind of looking like the only problem least that I can see right now, is that this belt came off the idler way back here. Hopefully you can see. Oh, and the belt flipped, it seems. Oh, I see. Okay, so the belt actually comes. Oh, it's so tight. It's on the wrong side of this pulley. There we go. I think it sits like that. Okay. See if you can see that. So this belt right here, it was on the other side of the pulley. I don't know how it skipped off or why, but now it's in the right place, I think. Let's try engaging the Pto lever and see if it tensions up properly. I'm going to try spinning the blade. Well, it actually seems to be pulling or spinning the drive pulley, so I guess let's try firing it back up and see if the PTO will engage now. Take it out of gear, obviously, that'd be not fun. Okay, I'm gonna try engaging the PTO. I don't know if you heard that, but the blade's definitely engaged, so I think we can call that fixed. Now, it does seem like the deck is not level. It seems like it's kind of at a weird angle, so that could have been why it threw the belt. Let's see if we can make it sit properly. It could just be the cutting level is set wrong or something. No, because the whole thing raises and lowers. Sorry, you probably couldn't see that. So the problem is you can see the front end is way lower than the rear end, and even changing the cutting depth, it lowers as a unit, so it's not like it pivots on the front or something. Looks like there's a couple holes to choose from up here. We need to play with that. Well, let's try driving it off the ramps. Alright guys, so apparently to level the deck, you can see in here, in the battery compartment, these bolts, apparently you just loosen up those two 1/2-inch bolts on the side and then the one in the middle, and that big hex in the center, as you rotate it, it apparently levels the deck, or adjusts the level. So those are actually already like finger loose, finger tight, so that's probably why the deck is so off level. So I'm going to give that a try. You see how it kind of has tension on it. I wonder if I stick my foot under here while I turn it, if I can kind of take the tension. That's a match right there. So I'm just going to tighten up those 3 1/2-inch bolts again. Well, I guess let's fire it up and see how it cuts. You know what, now that I'm thinking about it, these tires are probably pretty low. Yep. I saw a little puff. I wonder if this has a hole in it somewhere. Well, let's, these are actually new front tires. The old ones were bad, really bad. Yeah, neat there. I'm gonna grab the air compressor. Alright, I'll get the other side and let's go try cutting some stuff. Alright, we got the tires aired up. I'm gonna raise the deck all the way because we got some tall stuff. Alright, let's give her a go. So let's engage the PTO. Seems to cut. Let's see if we can lower it a little bit. We got some bowls, so well, it works. think I'm gonna call that a win. Whoa. Well, it just died. Let's figure out why. I wonder if we ran out of gas. Yep, ran out of gas. I only put a little bit in here, so let's see if we have enough to fill up the bowl. At least a little bit. Nope, looks like we're pushing it back. Awesome. Or I can go grab some fuel. Well, it fired right back up and drove to where I need it. So I'm going to call it a win. I mean, there's not much else to do on this thing. Pretty happy with that. So I'll see you guys next time.